Yo, what's up YouTube? Knowledge for Longevity, back with another video. And today I'm gonna talk about the best ways how you can make your money work for you. So as you working and you receive your source of income, you're gonna have money that you're automatically gonna have to spend, and those are your expenses. And if you have money left over, I'm gonna address a few things that you can do with that money. So the first thing you're gonna do is automate your finances. You're gonna set up automatic transfers, a certain amount of money going from your primary checking account into your investment account. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to set up a brokerage account with Fidelity, Vanguard, Webull, or one of those apps. But I want you to get a professional broker. I want you to get a professional brokerage account from Vanguard or Fidelity. Open your brokerage account. We're gonna save $500 a month, and we're gonna try to get to $6,000 a year. We're gonna put in your automatic investment, which is every week, every 2 weeks, or every month on when you receive your source of income. But that's what I want you to do. I want you to automate your finances so you can set up an automatic investment going from your primary checking account into your brokerage account. Next thing I want you to do is plan for each dollar. For example, the money that you get, each dollar has to go somewhere. So each dollar you get should have a purpose. 50, 30, 20 budget rule to give you a sense of how to plan for each dollar. Next thing I want you to do is get rid of your debt. If you have debt right now, you should already get in a payment plan of paying off your debts. Because if you're not paying off your debts, you're gonna always have it. Then it might accumulate even more. So the best thing to do is take your money and pay your debt off first. Student loans, credit cards, any type of debt that you owe, you want to get rid of that. Best thing to do is trying to get rid of that first if you can. If you have debt, trying to minimize your debt, try not to accumulate more debt, and pay your debt off as soon as you can. Trying to pay more of it off so you get it off sooner and pay your debt off. The next thing I want you to do is open a high yield savings account. A high yield savings account is going to pay you more interest each year by having your money in your accounts. If you have it in a normal banker's account, which is Wells Fargo, Bank of America, PNC, they really not going to pay you nothing. So the best thing to do is open up an online savings account. You can earn way more interest with a high yield savings account. So I recommend going online, going to Google, type in a high yield savings account, open up your account, and start earning way more interest that you get at a normal traditional bank. The thing you can do is invest in real estate. Well, you're saying, well, how can I invest in real estate where I don't have a large sum of money? Well, it's this website called Fundrise that you can invest in, and you can put your money into Fundrise and you can start earning passive income. About $100, $200 in, and just let it sit, see what it do. And if you like it, add more money. If you don't, just let it sit and just let it accumulate passive income. But Fundrise is a good website for you to start earning passive income and an easy way for you to start investing into real estate. The next thing you can do is invest in the stock market. You can start investing in the stock market with as little as $100. All you have to do is have a certain amount of money to buy a stock. For example, Coca-Cola stock is a great stock that a lot of new investors like to invest in because they pay a great dividend. A dividend is a small portion of the company earnings that they receive back to their shareholders. Or you can invest in royalty income, and that's a monthly dividend stock. You can get paid monthly by investing to their stock, and that's less than $100. Next thing you can do is sign up for a rewards credit card. So as you're spending money on your credit card, you can get reward points back, which could equals to cash. You use your rewards credit card to spend money on things you're already spending, as far as groceries, gas, food, entertainment, and things of that sort. And you can receive a small portion of that money back by getting a rewards credit card. So sign up for a rewards credit card with your bank, and you can start receiving money back. And this could be like another source of passive income if you let it build up. Spend money with your credit card, pay it off each month, and just let the rewards accumulate. And once it gets to a certain amount of money, you can use it to buy things that you need. Thank you for watching Knowledge for Longevity. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Every 2 weeks or every time you get paid, Just keep doing automatic investment coming from your automatic checking account into your investments. Keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that, and your money is working for you. And eventually your money will build, and that's how